This episode's titled 94 Reacts to Federica's Snore Gets Replaced with Number Block 52's Snore. And this video is a request by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi. I'm 94. Sorry for not reacting to anything because still, we don't do snore replacements on 70's Snore Rap Club anymore. I'm going to react to Federica's Snore Gets Replaced with Number Block 52's Snore, but that'll be absolutely hilarious because of the way how she sounds at the end. But anyways, enjoy.
No, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Wow, that was absolutely funny. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 726.